Hello everybody, welcome to the market views update for 23rd August 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading sessions. Markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors bought shares worth about 254 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 197 crores. A hanging man like pattern was formed at the daily charts. Let's see more about the hanging man candle a couple of slides later. Let's have a look at quarterly results updates for a couple of companies. HDFC Asset Management Company Q1 profit rises to 205.26 crores versus 164.57 crores. Revenue rises to 471.23 crores versus 390.42 crores as of last year. Motilal Oswal Financial Services Q1 profit falls to 104.36 crores versus 126.53 crores as of last year. Revenue rises to 646.47 crores versus 588.25 crores as of last year. Let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 11,576 and closed at 11,570. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,581 and a low of 11,539. The markets swung by about 42 points. The markets closed by about 19 points up from the previous day close of 11,551. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,549 and 11,524. Resistance levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,585 and 11,603. Bank Nifty support levels at this point of time is around 28,175 and 28,080. Resistance levels for Bank Nifty at this point of time is around 28,321 and 28,388. Let's have a look at what hanging man pattern is. When the open, high, close are around the same price, the length of the lower shadow is almost at least twice as the length of the body. When the open and high are the same, it is called a bearish hanging man. Today that is not the case. Yesterday that was not the case. We'll see the charts in the next slide. When close and high are the same, it is called a bullish hanging man. What does a hanging man candle mean actually to the trader? When it occurs on top of an uptrend, it can be a warning for potential trend reversal. It is not a strong signal by itself to go short. Other indicators and strategy should be used to confirm the sell signals. Let's have a look at the hanging man pattern in the charts. Here you can see the daily charts for Nifty, and this is the chart that was there for yesterday. As you can notice, the market opened at 11,576 and hit a high of 11,581 and it closed at 11,570. All of them at around somewhat around a closer range, but however it hit a low of about 11,539. So the length of this lower shadow is more than twice the length of the body. When a candle like this is forming at the end of an uptrend, then it basically indicates a potential trend reversal. However, let us see how the markets react today, considering that the market has been on an upswing in the recent past. This type of candle, when it is formed on the uptrend, it's called the hanging man type candle. Let's have a look at the long build-up. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, because of which there is a price increase and the open interest also increases. We have Coal India, which is topping the list for yesterday with a change in open interest of 7.37% and a percentage change of 2.59% in its price. We have Bajaj Finance with a change in open interest of 3.32%, and we have about approximately four stocks with a change in open interest of above 2%. Bharati, Infratel, Reddy's Labs, NTPC, Cipla and Cipla. So all these four stocks have a change of open interest of about 2%. We have about 5 stocks with change in open interest of above 1%, which is Axis Bank, Ultratech, Tata Consultancy Services, Reliance Industries and Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening long positions in these stocks. Long unwinding happens when people people close their long positions. We have a couple of stocks with a change in open interest of about 3%, Bajaj Auto Limited and Tata Steel Limited. We have one stock, Hindalco, with a change in open interest of more than 2%, which is 2.49%. We have a couple of stocks with change in open interest of above 1%, which is GAIL and Adani Port and SEC Limited. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are closing their long positions in these stocks. Short buildup happens when people open short positions, because of which the price decreases but the open interest decreases. We actually noticed that three of the petroleum stocks, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum and Indian Oil Corporation, all of them appear in this list, and with Bharat Petroleum having the most change in open interest, which is 21.55%. We have Hindustan Petroleum also with a change of about 3.21% and Indian Oil Corporation with a change of about 1.26%. So we also have other stocks, Kotak Mahindra Bank with a change in open interest of 6.79%. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are building short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, and because of which there is a marginal price increase and the open interest decreases. We have HCL Technologies with a change in open interest of 5.3%, Tech Mahindra with a change of about 3.96%, UPL and Hero MotoCorp also having a change in open interest about 3%. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are closing their short positions in these stocks. Let's have a look at the world markets. The Dow Jones and S&P 500 ended on a negative note with 0.34% and 0.04% down. Nasdaq was up by 0.38% up. The rest of the American markets seem to be on the positive side, as you can see in the slide. The European markets also was largely on the positive side, except for the Swiss markets, which closed by about 0.38% down. The Asian markets, Japanese markets was up by 0.13%, Hong Kong down by 0.6%, China up by 0.28%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was roughly at around the same range, with the marginally being up by about 0.02% and 0.17%. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was up by about 19.5 points, which is about 0.17%. If this is to give any indication, the market should open at around the same range and probably be range bound, or maybe marginally inch higher. Let's see how the markets react today. The last date for filing the income tax returns is 31st August 2018. If you do not file income tax returns by that date, you will have a penalty of about ₹5,000. If you need any help with filing your income tax returns, please contact 8095 308 555. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.